I request a friend to buy this. Finally he come in Pakistan. And Lahore airport and he bring a gift for me. पेश है एयरपोर्ट फॉर इसकी hard covering. I really like. Yes, I appreciate. Then I try to open it, but it's not open. But finally I use my mind and slowly open this. I just pick up the up cover and slowly it's bring automatically down. Then I open it and first of all I find a copy of it, manual. It's manual. Then airport itself and then wire. According to your ear there are different length of earbuds. Okay, and then I try to open this main things that I forget to open it, but recently I opened this and there is a octopus covering on it and I really like this. Okay, and then open. Yeah, the green light shows that this is on and the red light shows that this is very low charging or put it on charging. Okay, and when you connect this on phone you automatically know how to use it. Okay, so I just hear the sound take. I really find this amazing bass value. That's unbelievable. That's it.